Hello, cute citizens! Naghahanap ka ba ng tambayan that can satisfy your midnight cravings? Tara na, check natin itong food park at Don Antonio. Tara, kain tayo. Bukas ang food park from 5 p.m. until 2:30 a.m. This is located in Don Antonio, Quezon City, sa tapat lang ng Evergotesco Mall. What I like about this place ay ang daming options, lalo na't iba-iba ang ino-offer ng mga food trucks. May Korean, Thai, Mexican, Indian, and Pinoy food. After ang ikot-ikot ay nag-order na din kami at humanap ng aming seat. And it's time to eat! So, having midnight snack tayo for today kasi it's rice with spicy pork belly. Hindi tinipid ang serving at nakakabusog. Nag-order pa kami ng crab pao at ng strawberry yogurt. Maganda itong puntahan kapag ginutom sa hating gabi at di makatulog. You can check out this place, try their foods, and support our QCpreneurs here at Food Park at Don Antonio. Danica Lane, Aksyon, QC.